Hi babes, welcome back to the channel. This video is going to show you in details. This is the only video you need to watch to know how to make the snake design. So irrespective of how big or small the section you want to braid the snake design is, this is how you go about it to get the perfect result. So make your smaller sections, cross just like this, and now you're going to start braiding. One tip I am going to give you to get the very best snaky looking braid is to braid all the way to the end of a section just like this before you turn into the next section. So braid all the way to the end, braid all the way to the end, and then you turn nicely into the next section so that your snake is going to wiggle perfectly. And if you like this tutorial, please do leave a thumbs up. If you're interested in other designs you can make for your braids, I have the tutorials on this channel. I have all the alphabets, all the numbers. I have the crisscross, star, heart, butterfly, bow, what flowers. I just have a lot of braid designs, so just check out my playlist for the design you want, and you're going to see several videos showing you how to do that. So you are very welcome. If you enjoyed this video in any way, please leave a thumbs up. It helps my channel to grow and let me know what you like so that I can keep making more of that. Remember to subscribe so that you can know when I upload more interesting video. Thank you so much for spending some time here, and I appreciate you. Take care.